Sends it back for Brown, one-on-one against Orlov. And Dimitri stays right there, hip to hip with Connor Brown, and then he is drilled by Ovechkin.
Ovi's on a mission. Started last game, and man, is it carried over tonight.
Form of those hits you've been talking about from the captain.
Yeah, right on cue. Zaitsev once. Here's Zaitsev twice being cut part of the boards. Here along the wall. Nice play on Connor Brown and Kadri. And then behind the net, that's the cross-check. And here's Brown taking a hit by Alex Ovechkin. Maybe the biggest crunch of this game.